Have you ever been feeling completely fine and then you see someone else doing better than you? You don't feel inspired, you feel behind, even though nothing in your actual life changed. In the past, we called this a deadly sin, envy. But today, we call it social comparison. Let's find out why your brain does this. So let's jump in. So here's the truth. It's not really about them, it's about what your brain does. The moment you look at the world around you, your brain is constantly trying to answer one question. How am I doing? In psychology, this is called social comparison theory. The idea is simple. Humans don't have a built-in ruler for their lives. We don't have a way to look inside and see how successful we are. So to figure out if we are doing well or falling behind, we look at the people around us. Your brain isn't trying to be mean. It's just looking for a way to measure your progress. Why it happens? Because your brain was built for survival, not for peace of mind. Thousands of years ago, your position in the group mattered. Higher status meant more safety, more food, better chances to stay alive. So your brain learned to track everything. Who's ahead, who's falling behind. The problem is, your tribe used to be 50 people, and now it's the entire world. The modern trap. Today, you aren't comparing yourself to a neighbor. You're comparing your behind the scenes to everyone else's highlight reel. You see their wins, their best moments, their filtered lives. And your caveman brain treats it like reality. This is where the sin of envy grows. It makes you feel like life is a zero-sum game. Like their success somehow makes you a failure. So, how do we stop? First, catch the moment. Notice the exact second admiration turns into envy. The moment you think, why not me? Second, change the question. Instead of, why not me? Ask, what is this showing me? Envy is actually a compass. It shows you what you truly value. If you're jealous of someone's career, it means you have a goal you haven't started yet. So to wrap this up, comparison is natural. It's just your brain trying to find a ruler to measure your life. Don't compare your reality to someone else's filtered photo. Use envy as a compass. Let it fuel you, not drain you. Your brain will always compare. It's an old habit, but you don't have to follow it. The next time you feel behind, remember, you are running a race where you are the only runner. And if you feel like certain people make you question yourself even more, not just compare, but actually lose your confidence. This is exactly what I break down in my other video. I talk about how small comments from others can slowly change how you see yourself. Thank you for watching and take care.